By morning on January 3, the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest in rotation. 3 जनवरी की सुबह तक उन्होंने पंप के द्वारा बहुत सारा पानी बोट से बाहर निकाल चुके थे और सिचुएशन कंट्रोल में था, इसीलिए सब लोग 2-2 घंटे आराम कर सकते थे रोटेशन में. But we still had a tremendous somewhere below the water line, and on checking, I found that nearly all the boat's main reef frames were smashed down to the keel. लेकिन अभी भी बहुत सारा पानी बोट के अंदर था, बोट के अंदर आ रहा था. एंड आफ्टर चेकिंग द राइटर फाउंड दैट जस्ट बिलो द वाटर, उन्होंने देखा कि एक भयानक सा एक होल हो गया था जिधर से बहुत सारा पानी बोट के अंदर आ रहा था. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of the starboard hull except a few cupboard partitions. In fact, in the right side of the boat, there was nothing which could hold and put its stand. Okay, which could hold it up, and the whole section of the starboard hull, except a few cupboard partition, there was only some cupboards were there which were holding it up, and in fact, it was the only thing which was trying to hold it up. सिर्फ वही था, अलमारियों का कुछ कबर्ड्स वहां पे था, उसको छोड़कर वहां पे और कुछ नहीं था जो उस हिस्से को खड़ा रख सके, होल्ड करके या खड़े करके उस हिस्से को रख सके. We had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit, but Wave Walker wouldn't hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. So when the wave hit the boat, it has taken 15 hours now. Okay, 15 घंटों तक वो वेव के टकराने के बाद अब वो जो वेव वॉकर है, वो जो बोट है, अभी तक वो उसमें सर्वाइव किए हैं वो लोग. बट द ऑथर, द राइटर थिंक्स दैट दे वोंट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव सो लॉन्ग. The boat would not stand so long and they won't be able to reach Australia. I checked our charts and calculated that there were 2 small islands a few hundred kilometers to the east, one of them El Amsterdam. So when he checked the chart, he found that they are not able to reach Australia, but there were small islands nearby, and he thought they could reach, which were a few 100 miles away from that place. To the east, one of them, and the one of the island was El Amsterdam, was a French scientific base. It was a French scientific base. Our only hope was to reach these prim peaks in the vast ocean. So they only hope to reach there. Okay, now they can't think of reaching Australia, they only think of reaching El Amsterdam, one of the islands. But unless the wind and seas abated so we could host sail, our chances would be slim indeed. लेकिन हवा की गति अगर कम नहीं होती है, then it will be really a problem for them to reach that place even. Okay, but unless the wind and sea abated so we couldn't host a sail, our chances would be slim indeed. Okay, and if the blowing does not stop, then they won't be able to reach El Amsterdam even. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine out of action, and as the wave had struck the boat, their auxiliary engine, the other engine they had, it was out of action, it was damaged.